Hey guys, I'm back today with another quick ZBrush video. Today we're going to be talking about an issue I just had with UV Master or automatic UV unwrapping. First, let me say automatic UV unwrapping is a great tool. It saves a ton of time, but when it goes wrong, it can really go wrong. So I'm going to show you the issue I had, and I'm going to show you how I corrected it. Hopefully this will help some of you out. Okay, so I have this model right here, nothing special. Let's go ahead and use UV Master to unwrap it. I'm going to go down to the lowest subdivision level. We're going to click Z plugin. I'm going to go down to UV Master if it's not already selected. Work on clone. And then let's just go ahead and unwrap the model. We'll do Z plugin and flatten. And this is kind of a mess. And I'm going to show you why this is a mess right now. We're actually going to go into Substance Painter and try and work this and the UV maps that have been generated. All right, so let's get out of here. See plugin, unflatten. We'll copy our UVs. We'll go back to the original with the topology, and we'll see plugin, paste UVs. Then we will just simply export as a test model. This is the model we're going to load into Substance Painter with the bad UVs. Okay, so I have Substance Painter up. Let's go to File, New. And we'll change this to 4K texture. We'll select our model. All right, so I am in Substance Painter. Let's go ahead and get started with that model with the bad UVs. We will select it. Okay, 96. We'll just do 4K because that's pretty much what I always do. Let's load the model. Give it a second. Here it is. All right, that is the model. And let's go ahead and drag any kind of texture in. Let that load up. Here we go. So as you can see, there are some serious issues here. Especially right here. Let's go to the paint layer and let's try and paint. Let's see what's going on here. So as you can see, it's painting in areas that my cursor's not even over. And then my cursor's over this little area right here, but it's not even, it's just not even showing up. So pretty sure it's because of the really, really bad crushed up UV map right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this in ZBrush. Let's go right back to ZBrush. This is the model. Let's do C plugin, work on clone. Now remember, if I just unwrap this, C plugin, flatten, it has the bad UVs. Let's unflatten. The way I got around this was unwrapping via polygroup. As you can see, there's only one polygroup. Let's go ahead and do group by normals. Now we have a few different polygroups. Let's go to Z plugin, select polygroups right here. You don't have to have symmetry on, but you can if you want to unwrap, Z plugin, and flatten, and this looks a whole lot better. Now, if we wanted to, we could actually remove that and then do Z plugin or polygroups, group visible, bring back the other polygroup, Z plugin, unwrap, flatten. We still have really good results, and we only have 2 polygroups without the little tiny strips that were there before. Let's unflatten, copy UV. Let's go right back to the model, C plugin, paste the UVs. The polygroups don't have to match here. The only thing that has to match is the geometry of the model. Let's go ahead and export this. We will just save over this test model right here. And I'll bring back Substance. Let's do File, New. Select, Test model 4096. Hit OK. We'll discard because we don't need this model. It was bad. All right, so here we are. We're in Substance Painter with the new UVs. Let's go ahead and drag this material right on over, and let's see how it looks. Look at that. It actually looks correct. So if you were having any issues with your UV maps, messing up your textures, that is one way you can fix it. Now, if you're in ZBrush and the group by normals doesn't work very well, you can adjust this slider right here, and it adjusts the degree of the angle degree for the normals that it groups. Alternatively, you can also load ZModeler and manually pick the number of faces you want in a specific poly group. So that's about it for me, guys. Hope that helps. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, ask any questions. As always, new videos come out pretty frequently about ZBrush, Substance Painter, Unreal Engine, Blender, you name it. If you want to see something else, let me know. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.